there's like a new update in this game thing. Bee Swarm Simulator now. There's like gonna be a new bear. Well, it's like a cub. Mom bear said something about it. And yeah. Wow, just what? Okay. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna do something now. So I wanna see his collections, his inventory, and then I need to find that cub that he has animation. Whoa. Wow, there's lots of those. I actually want this. I'm gonna get it. No! Okay, you can't get it. Avatar badges. Of course, he has lots of badges. Cover Grandma. Declines, and you gotta see this spear thing. I hope you can see it. Wait, I'm gonna show you it. Well, I seem to not find it, but let's just go in to the video now. You can read it when you play Roblox, or you can read it in my video, but no thank you. Now and then there's like daytime and stuff. Really, it's interesting. Yep. And I'm gonna pretend that I don't know anything about it. So yeah. And actually, you can. There's actually the fireflies like thing. They keep going around the night, and then there's like this moon thing for the moon amulet something. Well, one time I did something with my parachute, and then I did this. And then I went into the HQ, the blue one. And then I went, and then something happened. Wait, I forgot to get the honey. Oh, why do I even forget? Okay, I'm gonna try it on the ant thing because I got ant pass. You don't know how I got it, but 2 stingers. No. I got 2 stingers, wow. Just wow. And this new bear. Wow, where's the seal? It's maybe up there or something. Okay, oh, I'm supposed to go up here. Yes, I got 6 now. I'll need to look at that. I must concentrate on the newbie. It's gonna be like, it's not a boss battle. But it's actually wanted. I just see the sign there and in the front of the desk description. And you have to wait until it looks for you in this because it's close to that. Or you can go to this because, to that other one. Oh, it's right there. Okay. I'm gonna stay there because it's close to that. And yeah. Oh, why is it 100? It's 100. And it's easy to kill the bee thing, I don't know. And I saw how the sprouts, like when you get something, there's like lots of jelly and stuff. Yeah. So I may be gonna stay here because of the thing. And I don't remember how to get that bee over there. It's like one time something said someone is being attacked by the bee, and then we all came there, and then that's how I got that bee. Okay, I'm just gonna do one. Yes. Okay, that's useless. Why am I doing all the work? Is there a lot of boy? Wow, there's boys here. Okay. I have the honeybee, so I can get that. Oh, thank you, for God's sake. At least he's not even giving me it. I'm gonna go to... Oh, gosh. I'm gonna use something right here. Oh, wow. Sticking to the samples. Why? Okay, now. Yes, okay. Okay. Now, you know how I got it from the thing? And, yup. Yes. More. I like more. Now, I use these glue because I don't want. I just want the ticket. Okay, now let's go back there. And you got to wait to see the night thing. I'll show you it, okay? When it's night. And then you must see the bees out there. Okay, it's night time, so I need to look out for the bees. They come out from there. So you might not see them. Oh, they're going there. Oh. Where are they going? I want to see them. It's nighttime. Oh, they're going up there. Yeah, hurry up. I need to hurry up. I don't want him to get it. Are you serious? Why do they have to do that? No, I do serious. Share it, my boy. Share it. Why do I always do that? You get up there. Why is he not sharing? That's bad. Oh, where are they going now? They're going down there. Oh gosh. They're going down there. They're going down there. They're going down there. Let me go there. No fair. No fair. That's bad. What the heck? No fair, dude. No fair. What's wrong with you? Share it to a lady. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? No. I need those. I need those. Share it. Share it. Where's they going? Where are they going now? Where are they going now? Where are they going now? Yes, yes. Good. Good. That's where the spot I want. No, they're going to bamboo field. No! What the heck are you doing, man? No, how dare you? Why won't you even share it to a lady? They're going now. How dare you? Okay, guys. Bye. See you next time on this Swarm Simulator. I'm sorry about my obsessed with fireflies in this game. Okay, bye-bye.